Mm.
More blackberries.
More blackberries?
1, 2, 3,
I think that's enough.
4,
That's enough. Okay.
5.
5.
Okay.
5 is plenty. A 2-year-old who can count.
Let's move over a little bit. You're getting toward the edge of the chair. There you go. She loves her fruit. Where are you going?
Nana has some raspberries too. Do you like raspberries?
I do.
I do.
Mm.
Well, Nana, maybe you could, shall I get her a
You want
raspberry?
the raspberries too?
Yes, please, Nana.
Okay.
Don't fall off the chair. You're getting close to the edge now. Okay? Move over to the middle.
I
Chicken.
You did?
Oh, I did.
Well, I think she's right on the edge.
I know. I wish she'd move to the middle of the
Let's get
chair.
in the middle so you don't, there we go.
Thank you, Evelyn.
Okay, now you want some of these?
Count 5 raspberries out, can you? Oh, she's going to have more chicken. Then she'll have raspberries. This is her mid-afternoon snack after her nap. Nana's counting them out for you.
1, 2,
3.
Makes a little triangle. Is that funny?